ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः. गीताभ्यासे summary review of Chaturdashaadhyaya. Lokmanya Tilak has brought out the summary of the 21 shlokaha as 1. Shloka 1 plus 2. A consideration of the diversity of created beings included in spiritual knowledge and worldly knowledge, having regard to the different constituents. This too is productive of release. Shloka 3 and 4. The Parameshwaraha is the father of all created beings, and Prakriti, which is dependent on the Parameshwaraha, is their mother. Shlokaha 5 to 9. The influence of the Sattvam, Rajaha, and Tamaha constituents on the created universe. Shlokaha 10 to 13. Impossibility of there being only one constituent, the growth of the third constituent by the defeat of the other two, and the nature of the growth of each. Shlokaha 14 to 18. The result of action, according to the predominance of any particular constituent and the state which is obtained after death. Shloka 19 plus 20. The attainment of release by going beyond the three constituents. Shloka 21 to 25. A description of the nature and the mode of living of the Trigunatita, one who has gone beyond the three constituents, given in answer to the question of Arjuna. Shloka 26 plus 27. The acquiring of the Trigunatita state by solitudinal ekantika devotion and the attainment thereafter of the Parameshwara, who is the ultimate resolution of all release, all religion, and all happiness. I think that the tabulation as below, presenting a comparative study of the three qualities, Sattvam, Raja, and Tamaha, makes a good summary at a glance view of Shlokaha 6 to 18. Anukramankaha, I have the columns here, Anukramankaha, Gunaprakaраha, Sattvam, Rajaha, and Tamaha. 1. Attributes, Visheshanan. Sattvam, Prakashkam, Anamayam. This was in Shloka 6. Rajaha, Ragatmakam. Shloka 7. Tamaha, Mohanam. Shloka 8. Genesis, Karanani. Sattvam, Nirmalatvat. Shloka 6. Rajaha, Trushnasangasamudvam. Shloka 7. Tamaha, Ajnanajam. Shloka 8. Then binds by Katham Badhnati. Sattvam Sukhasangena Jnanasangena cha Badhnati. Rajaha Karmasangena Badhnati. That was Shloka 6. This is Shloka 7. Then Tamaha Pramadalasya Nidrabhi Badhnati. Shloka 8. Kada Sanjayati. How and when prospers. Sattvam Sukhe Sanjayati. Shloka 9. Rajaha Karmani Sanjayati. Shloka 9. Pramade, Tamaha Pramade Sanjayati. Shloka 9. Then Vibruddhe, what happens when this particular quality, any particular quality overgrows? Sattve Vibruddhe, Jnanam Asmin Dehe Sarvadvarishu Prakashaha Upajayate. Shloka 11. Rajasi Vibruddhe, Lobha Pravrittihi Arambha कर्मणाम अशमः स्पृहा एतानि जायन्ते. श्लोकः 12. तमसि विवृद्धे अप्रकाशः अप्रवृत्तिः च प्रमादः मोहः एव च एतानि जायन्ते. श्लोकः 13. प्रलये सत्वे विवृद्धे प्रलयं गत्वा उत्तम विदाम अमलान लोकान प्रतिपद्यते. श्लोकः 14. रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा कर्मसंगेषु जायते. श्लोकः 15. तमसि प्रलयं गत्वा मूढयोनिषु जायते. श्लोकः 15. कर्मणः फलम्. सात्विकं निर्मलं फलं श्लोकः 16. रजसस्तु फलं दुःखं श्लोकः 16. अज्ञानं तमसः फलं श्लोकः 16. अस्मात् संजायते ज्ञानं सत्त्वात् ज्ञानं संजायते, रजसः लोभः संजायते, तमसः प्रमादमोहौ भवतः अज्ञानं संजायन्ते. गतिः सत् सात्विकानां गतिः ऊर्ध्वा ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति, मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसः श्लोकः 18. अधो गच्छन्ति तामसः श्लोकः 18. So, alternative summary view of the 27 shlokaha can be shlokaha 1 to 5, relevance of the three qualities sattvam, raja and tama with all creation. Then shlokaha 6 to 18, comparative study of the three qualities sattvam, raja and tama. And shlokaha 19 to 27, all about attaining gunatitata, transcending the qualities and qualitativeness. The title of this adhyaya is Gunatraya Vibhaga, Vibhaga Yoga. Gunatrayam means the ensemble of the three qualities, Sattvam, Rajaha and Tamaha. Vibhaga Yoga is Vibhagaha plus Yoga, that is study by the perspectives of Vibhagaha, analysis, and Yoga, synthesis. This text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.